What's up, boys? Number 7 for Grizzly Cave. I'm gonna show you what we're doing. First, we got this 22-inch light bar right here, and a Yamaha rad relocation kit that's going on that Polaris out there, 450 Polaris. I'm just getting ready to give it a little wash. I did mine. It's not the cleanest, but it's better than usual. So this is a ATV we are going to be working on, Polaris 450. I'm hoping, I'm going to show you guys where the rad is. I'm hoping the rad is going to be pretty easy. We know it's not going to fit like how we want it, but what can you do? The rad's right here, and you can see the hoses are down there too. I'm hoping it's going to be a similar size to the Grizzly rads, because then it'll work perfect, but I highly doubt they are. Looks like the top clips are the same. So I'm gonna wash her, and John's coming bright and early to get this guy done, hopefully done today too. We're gonna work really hard and get her done. I'm not sure where my GoPro mount is right now either. Gotta find that. Gonna be a run coming up soon, hopefully. Nice blue. I like it, boys. I like the blue. What's on the go, Johnny boy?
Dude, man, working on Polaris. I don't like Polaris, okay? I really don't like Polaris, but just hand me that thing. I gotta give it to him. This right here, this is genius. Like, Yamaha putting solenoids in behind the winch plate, like that's regulation by PDIs. Like, I don't understand that. There's no need. You can't get at it. It's in behind the red. You gotta take the winch out. It's just foolishness, really. Like, Polaris got their winch made with a solenoid holder right on the side of the bike. Yes, it's still down in the water, but like, at least if it craps out, you can work on it. It's right here. 2 bolts, you get your solenoid out. 1, 2, boom, take the wires off, you're good to go. I don't know, I gotta hand it to you, Polaris. Good job on that. I'll give it to you there. And you know what? The rest of the bike seems to be pretty easy to work on too, but the battery, I got a feeling that I'd have that beat to pieces. Right on the skid plate. It's better than your old designs, I suppose. Up and under the rear fender with no room to do anything, but you made up for it on the winch solenoid holder. Keep up the good work.
Yeah, we don't really know where to go from here. Look at this size of fan, boys. It's almost as big as John. I don't know what we're doing right now. I guess we're just gonna call him, give him a bike back, say, see you in a week. Yeah. Anyways, boys, we just did some errands, picking up some parts. We also got Tim Hortons. Yeah, we got Timmy's. Probably took me about, I don't know, 45 minutes. That's what it felt like. I went in and I was like, yes, boy. The drive-through was like about like 30 cars long. So I was like, I'm gonna run in like I don't mind, right? Runs in. 1 person was ahead of me. Well, 2 people, but 1 order. Anyways, Mrs. wanted to use her Timmy's rewards, right? Best kind. She didn't have enough points for her coffees or whatever, but it took her about 10 minutes to realize that. She looks back, it was me and 50 other people behind us. Sorry guys for the wait, Mrs. Hurry up. Anyway, so she's done, and she cuts back in. Can you change up this $100 bill? So that took Buddy about like 30 minutes to count that. Anyways. Back at this. Okay. Yes sir, they're done, they're done. Maybe a little bit too done. Famous for burning up wieners. It doesn't look too bad, to be honest. We just gotta figure out our hose extensions now. I say we drill in the cover. I would like to see an actual Polaris kit, but this looks pretty good. You never. Well, boys, what do you think?
Your balls just dropped.
Yeah. Yeah, it actually works out pretty well.
A few minor modifications, such as this. Would it work?
Yeah, so Polaris overflow fill up rad thingy is right down there under this plastic here, and with the rad kit, only opens up this far. You get a few stuff in it, but it is what it is. It's custom, so we put it right here, ran it here to here. Hopefully we'll travel uphill a little bit. Shouldn't be an issue. Pretty cool. Well, boys, 10-hour day, pretty well, like 9-hour day pretty much. It's done. 22-inch light bar on this bad boy. I think it'd be really cool if we put a light bar up here too. Because look how custom this is, guys. This was more so a custom job than anything really. But I mean, it looks super good. We're proud of it. I I think the hardest part was actually filling up the coolant into Polaris there, just because where this is kind of the same level as over here, so it was kind of hard to get the coolant to go up and stuff. It was doable, it just took time, you know. I'm pretty happy with it. It's probably a shorter video, not really sure. John did zero cursing, no swearing. He had a very good day. Actually, I don't think you got hurt today.
No. Hey.
So you're pretty.
Not home yet.
Yeah, you're not home yet. I'm doing pretty good. Look on that light bar. Look. Not light. This is what John got us. We just did his bike for him, or his buddy's bike. Look how sick that is. Gotta figure out where to put that now in the cave.
When we get some ad ramps, man, put up, we'll put it up above that.
Yeah, we need a house cleaning. Actually looks really good. John actually got a different one than this. It has more detail. This one's wicked. Well, boys, that was our short little video.
And I got a boot bust.
Again.
He's going on a run Sunday like it, and I don't give a rat's ass.
But we know what we're gonna do next Grizzly Cave.
Change of act.
That was a fun day, not gonna lie. It's interesting. It was John's brain got a good thinking then. Anyways, boys, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Anything to say, John?
Catch you on the next one.
Catch you on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow Money Mills on Instagram. OFFROAD Dan, which is myself, on Instagram. We hit 8K just then too. So 9K next year.
You bring me comfort to my soul.